Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious churros. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. For frying, have about 4 cups of vegetable oil ready. Don't forget a piping bag fitted with a star tip. This gives churros their classic ridged shape. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's make the dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring the sugar is fully dissolved. Remove the pan from the heat immediately. Add 1 cup of flour all at once, stirring vigorously with a wooden spoon until a smooth, thick dough forms. Let it cool for about 5 minutes before moving to the next step. It's time to fry. Heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Use a thermometer to ensure the oil reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 3 to 5 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut the dough. Fry a few churros at a time for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot. Almost done. Once your churros are golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil using tongs. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of half a cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Serve these delightful treats immediately. They are absolutely perfect with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a dollop of dulce de leche. Enjoy your homemade churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.